Samsung is already hard at work on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, even if you aren't thinking about it right now. While we don't have all of the information yet, rumors regarding the Galaxy S25 Ultra are circulating. These rumors, paired with Samsung's great track record of smartphone releases, should spark our curiosity in learning more about this future flagship phone, and as time passes, we should anticipate the rumors to gather even more traction. Given Samsung's emphasis on Galaxy AI features in this year's phones, it's safe to assume that the Galaxy S25 lineup, including the Ultra, will continue to push the boundaries of artificial intelligence. In the high-end phone market, Samsung appears determined to outshine Apple in the camera department, so camera improvements are likely to be at the top of Samsung's to-do list for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. While we wait for additional details, here's everything we know so far about this highly anticipated smartphone, as well as our best estimates as to what Samsung has in store for us. Samsung took a daring decision by moving to titanium for the frame of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and it seems doubtful that they will make a significant modification for the S25 version. The newer Ultras have kept the same design, with the cameras neatly placed in vertical rows on the rear and the lenses slightly projecting. It's safe to assume that Samsung will continue to its successful formula, but we won't know for sure until leaked CAD renderings appear in the coming months. Now, let's talk about the display. According to rumors, the Galaxy S25's entry-level model will increase in size to a generous 6.36-inch, up from the 6.2-inch of its predecessor, the Galaxy S24. As for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, there are rumors that its screen will approach a hopping 6.9-inch, a slight increase from the 6.8-inch display on the S24 Ultra. However, we should accept this claim with a grain of salt until we have more specific knowledge, in order to outshine one another. Phone manufacturers have been pushing the boundaries of maximum brightness on their screens, and Samsung has entered the fray, increasing the peak brightness of the Galaxy S24 Ultra to an astonishing 2600 nits, surpassing its predecessor, the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which clocked in at 1750 nits. It would not be surprised if the Galaxy S25 Ultra goes much farther and lifts the bar once again. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.